Welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Today I am putting the final touches on our bins down here. Last year was our first time having Christmas, our first tree, and so these are kind of like our first bins, and so I'm just putting those final touches, putting the labels on. We've decided on a font, and I'm really excited to get this done. So, here we go. Okay, let's start on the top here. So I have this card box and I went through, sorted, and realized that it was getting kind of full. And I think one works for us, but I think we might need a second. So all of the overflow cards I put in here for now, but I think I'm just gonna get like a second one, and then it'll be like cards. And then under here are gift tools. So this is a box that someone gifted to me that I repurposed and put like stickers on. This is a Staples box that used to hold my business cards, and I just like used it and repurposed them for gift tools. There are cards in here to give to other people. So these are two things that I want to kind of upgrade as well. And then down here is the gift wrap box. So there's leftover wrapping paper, gift bags, gift boxes in there. This is a keepsake box. It's mostly bridal stuff. So, you know, when my kids get married or my siblings get married, I have those things. So in there is like one of our bouquets, there's sashes in there, stuff like that. And then this box is a memento box. It has several of my scrapbooks. I used to be heavy on the scrapbooking, but now not so much. And there's actually a memory box in there that I need to sort and organize, but I think it'll be more of a spring task. I don't think I'll be doing it for this Vlogmas. And then moving over here, again, the cards. And then we have these two that are kind of unrelated to the kind of theme of this, but makes sense that they're on the right side, closer to all the other auto stuff that's on this side. Car gear, bike gear for hubby. And then the bottom are my 2 Christmas bins. Forgot to do these 2 bins. So top bin is party stuff. Bottom bin is event stuff. So that is everything. And oh my gosh, I'm just so happy with it. I'm really, really happy with it. Really, really happy with it. Now, you might be like, Catherine, that's all your Christmas stuff. It is not all of the Christmas stuff. So the tree, the ornaments, all of that stuff lives on the other side of this storage room, not over here. And right now, they're just kind of loose and out. Again, our first Christmas was last year, so I'm still trying to decide kind of what the click point is in terms of inventory, if I want to add more things. And yes, all that stuff is living over there. I did pull 2 baskets from over there that I had last year, and I put them in these nice coverings so that like if debris, spider web, stuff like that would not get on it. And I just pulled it, and it's been there for a whole year, and it literally looks seamless. And the reason I pulled it is because I am participating in a scholarship basket raffle. So I'll be creating a basket that people can buy raffle tickets for and hopefully win. And I have 2 ideas in my head that I'd like to do. And just knowing that it's going to a good cause is just amazing. So that might be tomorrow's vlog.